Alright, these are the COWIN's E7 wireless headphones. I don't know much about the COWIN brand, but I was looking on Amazon for a good set of wireless headphones that were noise canceling. These came up, they had really great reviews, so I figured I'd give it a try and see if these are something that I could use when I'm doing my editing or just trying to block out the kids, if they're playing a game or something and I just want to kind of relax. So has anybody ever used the COWIN brand? Anybody used these headphones before? I'm gonna open them up now just to go ahead and see, give them a test run, see how they are. But there's the information there, noise canceling headphones. The package is pretty solid. I'm not sure what that means, but for wireless headphones, I think I paid for them $50. Just trying to get something affordable. So let's open them up and see how they work. Alright, so let's open the box and see what's inside. Alright, let's take the box off. Let's see here. We have a thank you note from the company, from the owner, who is Bill COWIN, which is pretty cool. So that's pretty cool. It's got instructional manuals, owner's guide, just got a lot of stuff there to read. It has a pretty fancy warranty card. That's pretty nice. 30-day warranty, full refunds, 12-month limited warranty. Nice. 90 days after. Notice. And it has a nice leather bag. It's really nice. Nice material. Alright. We got more instructions on how to use your headphones. And there are the headphones. Looks really nice. Nice. Also too, you're charging. When you're charging, the LED light comes on as well. And that's pretty cool, so you know when it's charged. Also, these work with your phone, with your laptop, with your computer, pretty much any device that has Bluetooth on it. But it also another cool thing is too, I realized, is that this unit here, actually, if you look at the bottom of the headphones here, they have the connection here for your charging device, and they also have the 3.5 meter connections here as well if you wanted to manually hook it up to your audio device or computer. So it comes with two different cords. You have the 3.5 millimeter cord here, and also you have the USB connection here as well for charging them as well. So you can listen to it on Bluetooth. You can listen to it with no strings on, or if you're somewhere where you don't have Bluetooth, maybe you're on a road trip or something, or out camping, you could just hook it up to your iPhone, your iPod, the MP3 player, whatever you have, and listen to music as well too. So that's one cool option I really like about these. And it has a noise canceling option as well. So I think overall, for the price I paid for them, it's a great deal. They're on Amazon. I'll put a link into the bottom of this posting here if you want to take a look at them. They got really good reviews. Like I say, it's the COWIN's, the E7 wireless headphones. So for the price, really good price. Durable product. It's really tough. I like the material here. Lightweight. It's got a couple of functions here on the front too as well to control your music or your volume. Pretty much what I picked them up for. I think it's a great deal, and can't wait to really get these bad boys open and start editing more of my YouTube videos. All right, thanks everybody. Take care.